Andrea Bastianini wins a dramatic 2024 British MotoGP sprint race at Silverstone, which saw teammate Francesco Bagnaia crash out, all but erasing his title lead, and Marc Marquez also on the DNF list. After losing the World Championship advantage by falling from the lead last time in Germany, Jorge Martin now heads into Sunday's Grand Prix just 1 point behind Bagnaia after a runner-up finish to Bastianini in the sprint. Pole starter Alex Espargaro completed the podium for Aprilia. Espargaro came under attack from the leading Ducatis in the opening corners, Martin emerging in the lead with Espargaro, Bastianini, and Bagnaia chasing. Disaster struck for Bagnaia when he lost the front and crashed out of fourth moments after setting the fastest lap of the race, on lap 4 of 10. That left a three-way victory battle, with Bastianini wrestling his way to the front and edging clear of Martin for his first ever sprint victory and first MotoGP win since Sepang 2023. Bagnaia's fourth sprint DNF of the season promoted Marc Marquez to a safe fourth, but the Gresini rider later crashed at the final chicane on the penultimate lap. Marquez had previously taken advantage of contact between Pedro Acosta and Brad Binder, which saw wings flying from the KTM's riders. Franco Morbidelli lost control of his Pramac Ducati under braking for turn 1 at the start of the race and wiped out fellow VR46 Academy member Marco Bezzecchi. Bezzecchi required a stretcher while Morbidelli was slow to stand. The incident was put under investigation. Revised tire pressure rules for 2024 mean riders must now stay above a lower front minimum of 1.8 bar, instead of 1.88, or 60%, instead of 50%, of the Grand Prix distance